Hey everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we help you improve your English communication skills while discussing essential workplace topics. I'm John.
And I'm Jenny. We're thrilled to have you with us today. In this episode, we're going to explore a key aspect of workplace success: effective communication in the workplace.
Communication is the backbone of any organization. It's not just about exchanging information, it's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind that information. So Jenny, why is effective communication so crucial in the workplace?
Great question, John. Effective communication fosters a positive work environment, enhances collaboration, and helps prevent misunderstandings that can lead to conflicts. It's also vital for building trust among team members. Do you think there are specific skills that can help improve workplace communication?
Definitely. One of the most important skills is active listening. It's about really paying attention to what the other person is saying, rather than just waiting for your turn to speak. This shows respect and ensures that you fully understand the message. Jenny, what do you think is another key aspect?
I'd say clarity is essential. Whether you're speaking or writing, your message should be clear and concise. Avoid jargon or complex language that might confuse others. And always check for understanding. Don't assume that just because you said something, it was understood. But John, how do you handle communication in a diverse workplace?
In a diverse workplace, it's important to be culturally aware and sensitive. Different cultures may have different communication styles, so being adaptable is key. It's also helpful to encourage open communication, where everyone feels comfortable sharing their ideas and concerns. By the way, if you're finding this discussion helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your English and workplace skills.
Yes, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're alerted when we upload new content. Now, back to communication. Another important aspect is nonverbal communication. Your body language, eye contact, and even your tone of voice can convey a lot. What's your take on that, John?
I completely agree. Nonverbal cues can sometimes speak louder than words. For example, maintaining eye contact shows that you're engaged and interested, while an open posture can make you appear approachable. On the flip side, crossed arms or avoiding eye contact can send the wrong message, even if your words are positive.
Exactly. And let's not forget the importance of feedback. Providing constructive feedback helps improve performance and fosters growth. But it's important to deliver it in a way that's respectful and supportive. How do you approach giving feedback, John?
I always try to be specific and focus on behaviors, not the person. For instance, instead of saying, "You're not doing a good job," I might say, "I noticed that the report was submitted late. Let's discuss how we can improve the timeline next time." This way, the feedback is actionable and doesn't feel like a personal attack.
That's a great approach. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Encourage dialogue, ask for feedback, and be open to hearing others' perspectives. This not only improves communication, but also strengthens relationships within the team.
Well said, Jenny. Effective communication is truly the foundation of a successful workplace. We hope you found these tips useful.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing those communication skills and have a great day.